What are you doing, Isabel?
I wash Eli's hair.
You're doing what?
I wash Eli's hair.
You're washing Eli's hair?
Yeah, I like to.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, I do. He's got bubbles.
He's got bubbles? Are you all clean?
Nope, I know.
I mean, is Eli all clean? I know you're clean. Is he all done?
Nope, he's not done. Yeah.
Hey, Isabel, can I see your bubble? Let me see. Which finger is it on? Ouchie! How'd you do that? What happened? What?
Sorry.
What happened?
Here, kiss a bit.
It's better now? How'd you get that bubble?
I don't know. I washed my bubble.
You're washing your bubble?
So I can't take a bath some more.
So you can take. Eli's supposed to be taking a bath, not you. What are your feet doing in the water?
I don't know how to wash Eli in the water.
You have to wash Eli in the water?
Go to there. Water go.
Oh, now you're dripping on my floor. Okay, say bye. Eli, are you saying dead, 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 dead?
Please say